which is same like Tableau desktop. All the different type of interface and everything is 100% same, and all the different type of visuals that can be created in desktop can be created in public also. Clear? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
We will
Yes,
be
sir.
installing Tableau public. I will be providing you the link for that, and we will be installing the Tableau public. Okay.
But sir, in Tableau Public there can be some limitations, no, as compared to desktop.
Absolutely. So when it comes to the visualization, when it
Because
comes to
nothing is
the
free.
creation of the,
Nothing,
yes, I'm telling
nothing
you
is
the answer of that only, my dear. When it comes to the visualization, when it comes to the creating the different type of visuals, absolutely no difference. Interface wise, absolutely no difference. All the visuals that can be created in desktop can be created in public as well. However, there is one major difference in desktop and public, that is, in public you will not be able to save anything. You created the visual, okay, you created the visuals, you close your Tableau, all the visuals will be gone. So you will not be able to save it anything onto your local environment, C drive, D drive. You will not be able to save it. Is that clear? Understood?
So we can take the screenshots while creating it.
Definitely, that is the workaround which can be done. But directly Tableau public will not allow you to save anything onto your local environment. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. The next product which we have is the Tableau Online, which is a cloud platform of Tableau, which is used to share your visualization with the respective audience. In very simple words, I can say that Tableau Online is a full-fledged website for you with 100% admin control. It is your full-fledged website over here, and which you can, okay, so which we can use to put our visual on that and share with the respective audience. Okay, so this is Tableau Online, which we will be talking about later part of the module. Then we have something known as Tableau Server. Now, Tableau Online and Server are same. The only difference between online and server is online works on the cloud platform, whereas server works on the local environment. Supposingly, the organization is not comfortable putting the data onto the online. Okay, no matter whatever security the Tableau has provided, but it doesn't want to put the data onto the cloud and wanted to share the visualization only within the organization, then the Tableau server can be used. Okay. Then we have something known as Tableau Reader, which is used to read the Tableau workbook. To understand this, you can compare it with Acrobat Reader. Just like Acrobat Reader is used to read the PDF files, similarly, Tableau Reader is used to read the Tableau workbook. Okay, and the extension of the Tableau workbook is TWB, Tableau workbook, TWB. Okay, then we have something known as Tableau PEP, which is used for the cleaning of the data, separate tool provided by Tableau for cleaning of the data. Okay, so these are the various tools provided by Tableau. Proceeding further, here we are talking about installation of Tableau. Please note, you need to install Tableau Public. Do not install Tableau Desktop.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
I have a question.